Hello there fellow designers, welcome back to my channel. My name is Daniel, and in today's video I will be sharing with you guys some free sources to get awesome illustration for your UI and creative design project, free for both commercial and personal use without any copyright issue. So without wasting much time, let's get started. Alright, so right now, as you can see, there is a UI that I made for a mobile app right here on my screen. So it's just for the tutorial purpose. So here is it. So as you can see, there's an illustration right here that I'm using. So this is it right from my Figma. So the first source I'll be sharing with you guys here is True. So this is it. You can get awesome illustration for free, both commercial and personal use. So as you can see, this is it right there. These are some of the design made from this website. So as you can see, so to get the illustration, so from the drop down menu from more, then click on free illustration. So you can as well get the pack for the paid version. Mind you, I'm not advertising for the website, so I'm just saying in case if you are working on a commercial project that involve a lot of maybe resources funds, then you can get a premium illustrations as well. So now this is the free illustration, so you can get anyone's here. They have the one for minimalistic, the one for error state, adventure, and so on. So to get an illustration, let me say I'm getting one for error state here. So once you open, you can download the whole pack of the free error state illustration, or you can as well scroll down. Then if you see anyone that you like, and as you can see, this is an animated illustration. So if you see anyone that you like, you can just click on the download button right here, for example. So you can click on the download button. So then you open the file, chemical. So you have it in SVG as well. So I'm gonna export the SVG to. Let me export it to my documents so that I can easily import and drag to Figma. Okay, this is it right now. I'm gonna copy and head to my Figma and paste. Okay, so once you're done pasting, then you can ungroup to have the main shape of the illustration. So I'm gonna drag this into my artboard and reduce the size a little. Okay, it's still very big. So I'm gonna get rid of this one, put it right there. There we have it. So I'm not so sure if the animation is gonna be active right here. So let me see. Okay, yeah, the animation is not active, so perhaps there's a way that we can get it done. So as you can see, this is an illustration gotten from True into our design project. So I will leave the links to all the websites I'm going to be referencing to in this video in the description. So that's for True, and right here we have on Draw.co. So on Draw is another place to get free or some illustration for your design project. So one thing that I love the most about on Draw is you can customize it to fit your brand by adding your for example, if you are working with a color, let me say it's this orange, so you can change or input your own color code right here to match the exact project you are doing. Then so all the illustration you are going to be getting from here will be customized with your input color for your project. And so we have another one here which is called DrawKit.io. So DrawKit is another source to get awesome illustration for your project. So in DrawKit right here, you can get illustration from some category, and as you can see, they are free packs. Although they have some special bundle for for some creative that you can pay. So but you have some free to help you go a long way. For example, if you are designing for a cooking and food illustration, a food company, so you can get illustration for that right here. You see, so they have tons of illustration concerning the food and cooking, so you can use them in your own project. So all you have to do is come here, free download, and you download the pack of the illustration. So you can add a fair price if you feel like contributing, or you add zero, then you get it all. So another source here is illustrations.co. Yeah, so this is another great source for awesome illustrations as well, and it is free and totally free for use. So for example, if you are designing a card for a card for your website, so and you maybe you need awesome illustration for a watch, so you can download the one in SVG. You can just drag into your Figma as well. Then what you have to do right now is ungroup. So you have to ungroup or get rid of the background, get rid of all the other assets, group your illustration, move it out from the space. Yep. Then let us reduce. So I'm gonna get rid of this as well. I'll move it out of the artboard. So zoom this out a little, align perfectly. Let's see the changes. Okay, yeah, there we have it. So you can also get awesome illustrations from illustrations.co. So another website right here is Iconsscots. So in this very source, you can get free 3D and Luther animations, icons, and free illustrations and icons as well for your project. So for example, if you are in need of a 3D asset, so you click on the 3D. So there's gonna be a lot of illustrations here. They also have the paid ones for your project. So I think what you have to do is click on explore, then you click on the free 3Ds if you want for free notice or free illustrations. So you click free 3D. So you see some free 3D awesome illustrations that you can use for your own project. You see they are really awesome, and they are free, totally free for you to use. So but I think for you to download anyone from this website, you have to register before you can download. So don't forget, again, the link will be in the description. So please, before we move forward, please, if you are new to my channel, please try and subscribe, like the video, and share to your audience as well for more awesome content. So here again, we have humans. So humans is another source to download illustration. So as you can see, it says CCO free for commercial or personal use by Pablo Stanley. So all you have to do is click on the download and you'll be able to download all the humans illustration pack. Then you can make adjustments to the colors, or if you feel like touching the shapes, you can adjust it as well, or use blush right here online to make your changes and download your pack. So another one here is illustrations for everyone by Scribble. So if you go to the website, we are scribble.com. So you will see some awesome illustrations that are minimalist for some projects that is just maybe black and white. So you have some awesome illustrations right here for skincare, vegetables, climate change, and travel and adventure, and so awesome categories you can think of. So another one here is Open Dodus. So you can also edit this from blush and make it to your own taste, or you can download from here in SVG or in PNG as well. So you can get any illustration that fits your project needs for free. And the last here on my list that I really love the most is this sapiens.ui8.net. So this is one of the best that I really love. They have awesome illustrations, so as is it right here, you can easily customize before you download and make use of. For example, you need illustration of running, so you click on running, then it signifies the one running. You can change the background by clicking on here the backdrop, so you can change the style to any shape you want. You can as well edit the human face. So you see, you can edit the human face, change the clothes, the handle, signify running. So that's it. So you can also change to female. So as you can see, you can change to female, change to male, and all you have to do once you are done, you can change the color as well to duotone or outline. So just the one that suits your needs. So I'm gonna leave it colorful. Then click on export. You can export in SVG or PNG. So this is the last illustration I'm gonna be showing you. As you can see, the illustration is done downloading, and you see right here, oh nice, all your creations are royalty free for personal or commercial projects forever. So but you can help or support the ongoing efforts by sharing with your friends or purchasing the full library. So that's that. So let's make use of the illustration we just got right here from Sapiens. So I'm gonna move it aside and ungroup as well, then group it all back again. I'm gonna scale it out a little, move this out of the hardboard and put it right there, adjust it a little, center align. Okay, I don't know why there's a delay, but so this is it right here. We have our illustrations, and as you can see, it's really nice in our project as well. So guys, this is how you can get free illustrations for your project, and you can use them all for free, both commercial and personal usage. So guys, thanks for sticking to the end of this video, and without wasting much time again, I hope to see you next time when I drop some awesome content. So please don't forget to subscribe, like and share the video. Stay blessed. Until the next one. Peace.